What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to another update on the Impt token. Just wanted to make it because I don't feel like a lot of people are covering it. I haven't seen any analysis on it yet, so I just wanted to do an analysis on the technicals ever since the launch, and with that also just wanted to talk a little bit about how this launch went. I mean, I'm one of the investors in Impt as well. So obviously we're down quite a bit. If you take a look at the chart right now, which hopefully you can still see now that I've gone to this screen, what you can see is that we have dropped down significantly since the sale price. Volume is actually pretty nice, but we have just dropped significantly. We reached that level once more at around 2.5 cents, which was the sale price, or at least the listing price, and ever since we just dropped. Now obviously the thing is that token launches in a bear market are not ideal. All right, I also wanted to show you a list of recent token launches. There you can see some like Oasis Games and Primal, which, I mean, Primal is an amazing project. It actually has a great ROI right now. Oasis had some big listings. I mean, Impt hasn't had any big listings yet, right? So that still could come. Hook protocol is just simply not correct. You could not buy it for 10 cents, not on Binance at least. So altogether, you can see that some listings go well and other ones go very wrong. Like they go down 70%, 80%, 90%, 50%, 25%, 30%. And then some are performing pretty well, and then the other one is 50. So altogether, in a bear market, token listings they're just not ideal, and token launches. I'm not sure why Impt actually brought the token launch earlier. I do not agree with that. I think we had a great chance in January of being in a better place than now. But that's just the way it is. If you take a look at the volume of Impt, I think that's pretty good. I think we got around like 2 million in volume right now. It's also, you can now see it on CoinMarketCap, 1.3 million, but it's not showing the volume from L-Bank, I believe. Or no, it is. All right, so altogether, it's 1.3 million, which is pretty good. I'm not sure what the market cap is right now. You could actually calculate it. Maybe I should have done that, but I haven't done that yet. I'm sorry. But the thing is that yeah, it's not looking ideal, and I know that there are some some orange flags at least around the project. But I do think that long term it has a chance. All right. In the end, it's a probability game. The same like I saw a lot of people saying, well, why did I buy it if it was just going to drop? Well, because you didn't know that it was going to drop, right? It's just a probability, and as you saw from the other cryptos, some go up, some go down. So yeah, and there are some red flags around Impt.io, but I think if they actually fulfill their promises, which there is a chance that they will, they have a real team behind it. They do have some sort of a mechanic structure which could work. If they fulfill that, I mean, it has potential, right? So that's why it's just, I haven't invested a huge percentage of my capital in it, but just a small allocation. Maybe it does a 5x. Well, then it's a great allocation, and a 5x for Impt.io I think is definitely possible. However, if you take a look at the price right now, it looks that on the short term we will definitely continue falling. Short-term momentum in the market is far from bullish, which you can just check out if you check out Bitcoin right now. Far from bullish. So what will probably happen is that right now we're finding support at around 1.6, 1.5 cents, which is a psychological support level. We found support there earlier, but it doesn't look like we're getting much support off of it anymore. So what I think is going to happen is I think we're going to have some sort of a bearish breakout through 1.5 cents. And I would say that the first support level after that really is around 1.3 and 1.25 cents. Now, you might think that I just create this key level out of thin air. Well, maybe you could argue it, but not really, because I mean, what you can see and what really says a lot in these tokens, which haven't seen a lot of prices yet, so you don't have a lot of price action history, is you have to take a look at what prices they react to. So we reacted to 2.5 cents. Reacted to 2 cents, as you can see, quite heavily a couple of times here and here and here and here. We reacted to that level around 1.5 and 1.6, so that means that a little bit above the psychological levels you have some support. So that's why the next psychological support level after breaking through 1.5 is 1.25 cents, and then you have 1.3, which is a little bit above, which it seems to be like we're dropping down there, which would be at that point it's a 50% increase from our top, which you could see is pretty average, which is unfortunate. I think so too. I mean, I don't like losing money, but I invested in it for the long term, and hopefully you all did that too. And I still think on the long term it has potential. It isn't guaranteed to succeed, but it does have potential, in my opinion though. But that's my take on Impt.io. I'm happy to discuss anything I said down in the comments if you want to, but for now that's my take and update. So if you do have any questions, let me know. And for now, take care. Have a great weekend in advance and great Friday, and bye.